Hi guys, hope you all are doing good. So in this lecture we are starting one of the most important subjects in computer science called DBMS. So DBMS stands for Database Management System. So before understanding DBMS, we need to understand three small concepts, that is what is data, database and DBMS. So let's run them one by one with very simple words. So without any delay, let's begin. So first we're gonna see what is a data. So what is a data mean? So look around you. Everything is a data. Your name, your age, your phone number, your marks, everything. Any piece of information is called data. For example, your name, suppose your name be Jack and your age is 16 years and you scored marks in your favorite subject, like suppose your favorite subject is science and you have scored 95 marks. So each of this piece of information is called data. So let me write the definition for data. So data is nothing but is a collection of raw facts and figures. So remember this one, that data equal to information. So let me give an real life example. Suppose a teacher writes students' marks on the paper. Suppose a student score 80 and another student 75, 90, 85 and so on. So these are just numbers. These numbers are data. So the problem with data is, imagine a school has information about 10,000 students. Suppose 10,000 students a school contain. Can the principal remember all students' names? Is it possible? No, it's not possible. So can a teacher stores everything in their minds? Means remembering every student's name, their marks. For a teacher, it would be difficult. So it's not possible. So managing huge amount of data becomes difficult, so we need a better way to store data. This brings us to the next topic, means next concept, that is database. So what is a database mean? Database. So database is an organized collection of data. The important word is organized. This is the important thing, organized. So suppose school stores student information in the structured format. Suppose let me write student roll number and name and marks. So these are the names of the students, Jack, Peter, John, and their roll numbers and their marks. So this is an organized collection. So this is called database. So a simple definition is, so database is nothing but a organized collection of related data. So let me give an real life databases. We use databases every day. Every day you uses database. So suppose let us take example of Instagram. Instagram stores user profiles, and YouTube also. YouTube stores many videos. Suppose this video also is stored in YouTube, and WhatsApp stores messages. Amazon stores product details, and bank stores customer information. So all these applications uses database. So now we're gonna see about DBMS. So as I mentioned earlier, DBMS stands for Database Management System. So now you know what is a data and you know what is a database also. But the question is, who will manage the database? I mean, who will manage the database? The answer is DBMS. So let me write the full form of DBMS again. So DBMS stands for Database Management System. So DBMS is nothing but is a software that helps us to create, store, update, delete and manage data inside database. So suppose I'm going to give a simple definition that DBMS is a software used to manage database. So let me give a real life example. Suppose imagine there is a huge library. So books are the data, bookshelves or the databases. The librarian is the DBMS, means database management system. The librarian helps us to find books, add books, remove books, and update books information. So similarly, DBMS manage data inside database. So I'm going to write now a popular DBMS software, that is some famous DBMS softwares are, so these are used by companies around the world. So MySQL and Oracle database, Microsoft SQL Server, PostgreSQL, and MongoDB. So these are the some popular DBMS softwares. So now let us see about characteristics of DBMS. So now we want to discuss the important feature of DBMS. So let me write the important features of DBMS. So these are the important features of DBMS. So let us see one by one. So first we're gonna see about reduced data redundancy. So redundancy means duplicate data. Without DBMS, suppose let me tell let suppose let us take an example of student Jack. The student Jack gonna repeat same multiple times again and again. The same information may be stored many times. So DBMS reduces unnecessary duplication. This saves storage spaces. So this is the main advantages of reduced data redundancy. Means it gonna avoid the duplication data. Suppose in a file suppose there is a name Jack. It was repeated multiple times. It will be a storage wastage of data. So it gonna save storage space for DBMS. So, so let us see second one, improves data security. Not everyone should access all the data. For example, students should not modify marks and only teacher should update marks. So DBMS provides security mechanisms. If students have access to update their marks, everybody will update their marks to full marks. Suppose the exam was conducted 9 for 100 marks. If the student has the future to update their marks, most of the people will get above, almost everybody will get 100 again, I think. So now the third one is data consistency. Data should remain correct everywhere. Suppose a student's marks changes, the update mark should appear correctly throughout the system. Suppose you have written an exam and you went to your invigilator that for counting mistake. Suppose the exam is for 100 marks. The invigilator in counting mistake he was given only 87, but in the counting mistake you have got 90 marks. Means you are asking to your lecturer or your invigilator to correct the marks and you will get 90 marks. The data should be updated in your notice board or somewhere. So it is the main use. Suppose students mark, as I mentioned earlier, the student mark, if student mark changes, the updated mark should appear correctly. So if the updated marks are wrong, suppose you have scored first 90 marks and in the recounting you got 93, suppose they have written on 87, it would be very sad. So DBMS helps maintenance consistently. So fourth one is data sharing. So many users can access data at the same time. Example, a bank employee checks balance and another employee updates customer details. So DBMS allow multiple users to work efficiently. So now we're gonna see backup and recovery. So what if the system crashes? Suppose what if power fails? Suppose everything when the power is gone, DBMS provides backup and recovery features. So lost data can be often be restored. So now we're gonna see about easy data access. So finding information becomes easy. Instead of searching thousands of millions of files manually, DBMS can retrieve data quickly. So so now we're gonna see applications of DBMS. So I'm writing now applications of DBMS. So these are the some applications of DBMS. So let us see one by one. So first is banking system. So as you know, bank stores the details like customer details, account information, transactions, loan records. So this all is by using DBMS. So in hospitals, second one is hospitals. So hospital stores patient records, doctors informations, medical histories and appointments using DBMS. So the third application is schools and colleges. You know, education institute stores students details and attendance marks, course information, and etc. This is also using by DBMS. So e-commerce. So big companies like Amazon and Flipkart stores details and like products, orders, customers, payments. So this is also using DBMS. So now we're gonna see social media. So social media is a famous word that examples are Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, YouTube, Twitter. All depends on heavy on database. So these are the applications of DBMS. So I hope this lecture is helpful for everyone. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. If you like this video, don't forget to like and share. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you will be notified. So thanks for watching and see you guys in the next lecture.